Hello everybody, Julian from JulianTechTM. Today I'll be rating viewers' PCs. And you can see the background and everything very different because there were unforeseen circumstances that my partner in YouTube and partner in real life, Ashley, couldn't help me out with this video, at least for the production side. So this is actually my stream setup plus another camera here. Hi. Wow, production value. So yeah, honestly, I really like this setup because we get to test out this mic with RTX voice. So when you clap, no sound. No sound, clap, no sound. Amazing technology, RTX voice. Wow. I asked y'all to send me your setup so that I can view, rate, judge. And one reason why I want to do that is to take inspiration. I do want to upgrade my PC. This table has been with me since secondary school, so the setup has been pretty much the same for 10 over years. So if I were to rate my PC setup, I would give it a 5.10. Not very messy, not very neat. So anyone that has worse than my PC setup, I'm gonna scold y'all. Y'all send me on Instagram and email. So let's look at the Instagram one, okay? First submission is from Jessa Parizal. So he just took a picture of his PC with flash. Don't use flash next time. Okay, GPU Zotac GeForce GTX 1070 Mini. CPU Intel Pentium G5460. Okay, 8 gigs of RAM, 256 GB SSD. Asus H270. 270 plus. Oh man, I do have a problem with the CPU, which is a Pentium G5460, which I don't think it exists. But I know the G4560 exists. You push so much money on the GPU, push so much money on the motherboard, and then you went cheap with the CPU. I can foresee your CPU bottlenecking very hard on this PC. It won't give you 100% of the 1070. There's no point having a H270 motherboard because you can't even overclock it. Yeah, I'm gonna rate this a nice try. Nice try. Let's not be mean, alright? Let's not be mean, okay? Nice try. Nice try. Next PC. Nigel_Go94. Ooh. Wow, very nice. Wow, nice team. Cable sleeves are red. Wow, I really like the red team. If only you can change the Zotac Gaming RGB, which I think you can. You just need to find the software. A bit mafan lah, but I think it's possible. AMD Ryzen 5 3600 processor, ASRock B450, Zotac 2070 Super, pretty good for gaming. I'll say it's a good sweet spot. I'm gonna guess it's about 1.8 to 2K for this PC. I'm gonna give this a 7.10. Definitely better than my setup, or at least better than my PC. My PC has no color grid or anything. Like I talk about this, my PC is more of a Frankenstein monster than something fine-tuned, you know. I've been upgrading bits by bits. But thank you for the submission. Next submission comes from DC_RAR. This is some makeshift setup here, man. Don't like the desk. I need a desk that I can put my legs in. If you look at my chairs, right, they don't have the armrest. You need to play damn far, you know, instead of going close to the monitor. But other than that, on neatness, we are on the same level. Yeah, okay, so he did say I don't have a proper desk. Laptop specs mainly for school and my streaming PC. Okay. It's interesting you use your laptop for streaming instead of your desktop. To be honest, his laptop specs is a lot better than his desktop. He has a i7-8750H and a 2070 with 32 gigs of RAM. Wow, for a laptop that's pretty amazing. What laptop is that, yeah? Damn. Oh wow, you got pretty good monitor setup also. 144Hz Samsung monitor and another 60Hz 4K monitor. I mean, okay lah, I have to give it to him. His setup is pretty sick. The only problem? No proper table. Oh my god, I just realized his mic stand is coming from the cupboard. The cupboard, the drawer below. If I would give a number or rating, I actually really like it. 7.5. I'll give it a 7.5. So next one, my partner in crime is the one that helped me with the submissions. She's the one that consolidated the submissions. She didn't help me in production this round, but she helped me in post-production. So thank you, Ashley. Thank you. Ivan Go Chaser. Is that your name or is that the name of the PC? The picture, not good. Let's make it clear. Let's not take pictures with flash with your tempered glass on your PC, okay? If you didn't know, tempered glass got reflection, So next time we take picture, we don't use the flash because got reflection, okay? Everyone, reflection. Give y'all one chance, okay guys? I'll give y'all one chance. Next time I see another picture with reflection, I will scold y'all. Zack Tang. My post-breakup masterpiece. I can feel you, I don't know. Why can I feel this? I don't know why. I can feel it. Well, I hope you can do a video about making custom water cooling for PCs. Anyway, let's look at the picture first before looking at his specs, okay? Oh, this is his PC. Wow. Nice. Color a bit off. RAM and GPU color syncing up. But the setup is a little bit weird. His PC is here. but his desk is here. I guess I didn't make myself clear. I want to see your setup, you know, I want to see the whole thing. And what is this? Player of Liverpool? You see that one? I wanted to give the picture a 8, but now I think it's a 6. What is this though? Season 2 what is this? AMD Ryzen 5 has 3600. You got a 570X Plus Wi-Fi. Okay. 2070 Super. Everything looks alright. Y'all can see it for yourself. Only problem I have, X570, you have a motherboard that can overclock CPUs, but you didn't get the X version. What's the point? You want to get a better chipset? Maybe. But I mean, you can get a better chipset, but not worth the extra, what, $50, $100? You could have saved money and gotten a better house, a better plaque, whatever this is, a better desk, whatever. Next one, just a picture. Oh my god. This picture is cursed. My eyes need to wash with soap. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. I give this picture a 1 out of 10. 1 out of 10. Oh. Ah, so much better. This picture so much better now. So much better. Anyway, this person didn't give any specs. Very neat setup. Very nice. His wallpaper matches his whole theme. Aesthetic wise, 9 out of 10. Okay, next picture by Silence. Oh! Okay. I thought it was an Apple. I thought it was a Mac Pro. It was an Acer all-in-one. Okay, the CPU, motherboard, and whole operating system all in the back of the monitor. Bro, nothing much I can do. Fail. Your setup can be so simple. You got all-in-one setup. Cannot make it neat. You know, the thing is, I got speakers, I got PC, I got mouse and keyboard. Got camera here. That's why I cannot. This one. Sorry. I went to the next one already. JT. What is on your stream? Very nice. JulianTechTM. Please subscribe. Wow. Okay. Very nice. Water loop. It looks like clear water. The rainbow setup. You know, if you can't have it all same, might as well have everything chapalan. Other than that, you don't give me a lot of specs. Picture wise, I'll say 7.5. Looks good. You look at it. He took a picture without flash. You can take pictures without flash. But because you're looking at my YouTube channel, plus 1 point. 8.5. Good job. Clever X. Looks good. Looks very simple. Oh, Boys Brigade. Boys Brigade. Hold on.
That ass.
Oh my god. It looks like you're in Sec 1, Sec 2 lah. Looking at your Boys Brigade rank. Keep on going. Boys Brigade, good. Taught me a lot of responsibility. I wasn't a good student and taught me some discipline lah. But yeah, cool. To see a fellow Boys Brigader. Your speakers. Where you get these speakers from, man? I've never seen these speakers before. Oh wow. I have the same monitor stand also. I would take it out, but yeah, it's $40. Not very good. It does its job. Oh wow, this guy, what the hell, is a bit scary. This guy almost have the same setup as I have. The CPU I have is the 2700X and he has the 2600X 6-core processor. Okay, motherboard, you got the X47 Gaming Pro. Same motherboard because the MSI X470 Gaming Pro is the cheapest of the X470 series. 16GB of RAM, same. GTX 1070 Ti, that one not same. That one I have 2080 Super. Looks like you're doing a bit of streaming. You got banana for scale. Oh my god, you got IKEA lamp. Oh my god, bro, what's up, man? We have almost all the same thing, I have the same lamp, What the hell, bro? Don't copy, And that's the thing, I also got banana, My banana big. I don't know whether Ashley knew this, that I would like this photo so much, but this so far is my favorite one. Like, it's a very simple setup. Boys Brigade rank, a banana for skill. Don't get me wrong, man. Everyone is very nice also. The problem is y'all didn't really take pictures of it. I think that's about it. I really want to thank y'all because this YouTube journey has been overwhelming. I can never imagine last month starting out this channel that we would have 7,500 subscribers now. I gotta thank y'all lah. It's amazing. And I want to give back to you guys as much as I can. With that said, I can't do a giveaway today. There are gonna be more giveaway in the future, but let's pick last week's giveaway. Some terms and conditions, okay. You have to be a Singaporean. I already added in the description. So if you win and you're not Singaporean, I'm sorry. We're gonna find out who's the winner for last week's giveaway for the Razer Kraken Tournament Edition. Where is it? Well, I'll start here. 1 out of 9,000. 900. I would like the headset. Cheers on your channel taking off. Randy Lol ET. You won. Good job. Let me know how to improve this video, how to make it more entertaining, because I am still learning. This is something new to me. I know this concept is not original. Yeah, I'm just trying out new content. Next week is gonna be something I think y'all will like. I can't wait to show you guys. So do subscribe if you want to see more of my content. Hit the bell if you want to be notified. You know what? Let's take some requests. What kind of content will you want to see? So comment, like this video, be a subscriber. And I guess we are done. Terima kasih.